So my name is Oluwapelumi Adenikeju, and I've been interning at Hurl as a member of Quality of Life Technologies for the summer. And this summer here, I've been developing an Android application that promotes the usage of powered wheelchair functions such as tilt or adjusting the backrest or leg rest. When these functions are used appropriately by powered wheelchair users, it improves the quality of their life by increasing comfort and doing other activities of daily living more efficiently by following clinician guidelines. So my application shows users how to do these things properly through clinical recommendations, animations, and demonstrations. It's similar to a fitness application. Like when I'm at the gym, I have an application that shows me how to do certain exercises so I have proper technique. If I don't have proper technique, I'm at risk at injuring myself or straining a muscle. So, in the same manner that these apps have step-by-step instructions and animations and pictures, I feel that power wheelchair users should have this too, so they can use it as a reference on their phones, since they always have their phones, and whenever they need to look at something or remember it, they can have visual cues instead of having to read the ineffective material that was given to them in the clinic and always have it on person. Thank you.